Hello, we are AgriLens PH and we are using Edge AI to build climate resilient smallholders. So the problem in hand is that in the Philippines, farmers make up 20% of our workforce. Yet they suffer a devastating 30 to 40% annual yield loss due to crop diseases. Why, you may ask? Because the ratio of extension workers or agricultural experts to farmers is 1 to 1,000. Also is that current digital tools require high-speed internet, which makes them completely useless in last-mile barangays or those locations that doesn't have any connections at all. So in solution in hand is first is that we are trying to serve those young smallholder farmers, typically in ages 18 to 35, who own smartphones but lack formal agronomy training. By upskilling and upscaling this rural youth as digital agri-advisors, we bridge the technology gap for older generations. So our solution puts an agronomist in your pocket, and it works 100% offline. First, we use Edge AI computer vision by compressing a MobileNet V3 model to run directly on the device. Farmers can diagnose diseases in rice, corn, coconuts, or anything without needing the internet. Another thing is we've also used a localized advisory fine-tuned LLM to generate insane treatment recommendation. Crucially, it also speaks the farmer's language, so whether it may be Tagalog, Cebuano, and Ilocano, or anything in general. So we use a natural language processing model. So how it works is that a farmer points their camera at a disease clip. Instantly, they receive a diagnosis and treatment plan in Tagalog. To ensure responsible AR, our system is grounded on verified Philippine Department of Agriculture data to prevent hallucination. It also requires a confidence score of 85% or higher. If it drops below that, it defaults to recommending a manual expert review. For viability, we utilize an open-source TensorFlow Lightstack to keep costs low. For sustainability, we employ a B2B2C revenue app. The core app is always free for our farmers. We will monetize them by charging local government units and agricultural insurers for premium productive dashboards powered by anonymous outbreak data. Our outreach strategy will engage over 1,000 community members. And in summary, AgriLens PH is more than a diagnostic tool. It is a socio-economic intervention scalable to all 11 ASEAN countries. By democratizing expert agricultural knowledge through Edge AI, we are empowering the next generation of ASEAN farmers. Thank you.